What's that? There's a package? There is a package! Look at that! Let's get the package. My package, mommy, no. Come. Let's get inside. Let's get inside. Sorry. Yung chinelas ko tinapon. What's that? Yung laruan mo, mami. Come here. Come here, baby. Let's get inside. Come. Come here. You're such a good boy. Come here. I'm sorry. 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 You scared? Come here. Mommy scares the heck out of mommy. That's mommy's package. Yes, that's mine. Yes, what? Huh? Oh, Mickey Mouse. Let's open this box. Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. Wala talaga akong proper na intro sa aking vlog. But anyway, everyone is welcome to watch my vlog, guys. My sample vlog. And this is Matley again. And we have a box here. Just delivered. So, siya ang naka-notice na may nilagay sa box sa labas. Lahat ng mga packages na dumating dito sa bahay, Matley! Ayan. Lahat ng mga packages na dumating dito sa bahay, siya nakakaalam, guys, pag dinadrop off na sa door stop namin. Kasi, mabilis siyang makarinig ng kung ano-anong mga ingay. Lundag ng lundag. Tapos, pihikan sa pagkain. Tapos kinakagat niya ang aking buhok. Ayan, tanggal ang aking head cap. Ayun. Tada! Tapos naglalaba din ako sa background, guys. Maririnig niyo yung ingay. But this is what's inside. Medyo nakabukas na yung box. Box with a na box. So that's it. Ito yung napa-unboxing tayo ng wala sa oras. But this is the summer sandal na ino-order ko. Nag-sale kasi sila, guys. And then, talaga ako, tumitingin ako ng summer sandal na ganitong kulay, puti, combination of white and brown. Tapos nakita ko to on sale. So, binili ko siya. Stay din na, na sandal. It's perfect for summer. Ayan. Size 6 po ang aking paa. So, medyo maliit siya tingnan. But, yeah, maliit din po ang paa ko. Hopefully, this will fit. It looks nice naman. Saka narrow. Yung fit ko kasi, narrow din siya. So, let's try this on. Ayan po siya. Halaka. Size 6. Tama lang naman. Okay, try natin ito pag lumabas. Saktong-sakto lang talaga ang size 6. Pero pag binili ko ang 6.5, magkakasya din siya. Dapat pala 6.5. Pero kasya naman siya, guys. Pero saktong-sakto talaga. Wala bang allowance? Anyway, buti na lang open siya dyan. Sa likod, sa harap, open. So, 6 is okay. Stop! Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay. Do you wanna play? Yes? Yeah. Where's Mr. Bluebird? I see Mr. Bluebird somewhere. Can we get Mr. Bluebird? Yeah, Mr. Bluebird. Yes. Yay, yay, yay. Another day at the park. Some people are here. Not too many people. Uupo lang ako dito. Matley is super excited. Na-excite siya pag pumunta kami ng park. He's happy to see other dogs. He is over there with Daddy. Nainitan siya. Ayun, naghanap siya ng shade. Nasaan ba sila? Nasaan ba? Nasa likod ng basurahan. Hi! Oh, it's hot. Yeah, nainitan siya. Okay. Mommy has the food here. Yay! We got some food. Mommy, can you close the door? You close the door for Mommy? Mommy is going to eat, okay? Matli? Yung toys niya dito. Ayan. Ay. Okay. Magpa-deliver ako ng Thai food, guys. Wow. Oh my. Hindi talaga steam yung gyusa. Ito yung food. Wow. Very secure. Naka-serum wrap talaga siya. Okay, Toki. Wow, we got fried gyoza, deep fried gyoza, Penang curry, spicy tom yum soup, and tofu salad. And the rice is free. A lot. Ang daming kanin. Pasensya na sa ilaw, guys, kasi magsa-sundown na. Hindi ito yung sunset. Sa harap ko na. Ayan. I'm not this here. But I'm sorry, baby. You cannot eat this. They're spicy. Yeah. Yes. Ah, nangangamoy yung kamay ko. Ayan, yun ang inaamoy niya. Sorry, I can't give it to you. Mommy loves you. I love you, baby. Yes, I love you. Gusto niyang magpabuhat. Gusto magpabuhat? Eh, no, you want mommy's food. Food. Okay, mommy will give you your food. Cheers. Masarap. Sarap ng salad. Yun yung kanin. You want some beef Penang? No, you can have it. No, you can't. It's spicy. No. Let's go see Daddy. Yeah. No, not yet. Over here. Hey, Daddy. Daddy's home. And 2 boxes of pizza. Wow, that looks good. Looks good, Daddy. And smells good as well. Yay! Pizza time! I'm gonna have some. Wow.
Oh, Chicago pizza.
Wow, thick crust Chicago pizza. Wala? Bakit naman ang Giordano ganito, uy? They're very thick. Ito yung natikman namin dati. From Chicago, Giordano. Ito, very popular. This one is Uno. It looks so good. Tingnan nyo, guys. Okay lang. Medyo may part na matabang, may part na maalat.
Come on, babe.
Come on.
The most awaited pork.
Come on. Wow, rice.
Yeah, and like even if I order, where's the lumpia? Oh, sorry. I'm Ate.
You wanna try? Try.
You know why it's
Crack daw ang chocolate.
Yeah. Because that was
Solid?
yeah, that was solid.
Oh,
but I guess
it's
it's
frozen.
mint, so
Cracking natin. We're supposed to. Is it good?
hilawi daw.
So sweet.
Coconut ice, sticky
Oh,
rice.
sticky rice.
Mango o coconut ice cream.
Wow.
I love
Saan
coconut
na siya dahil? Condensed?
Mura.
Murag matagak, man dahil mahandok mo.
Bantay ha, Ilio.
It's good.